ready to unlock flexible payments for your Cash App purchases. This tutorial will guide you step by step on how to seamlessly integrate Afterpay with your Cash App account, transforming how you manage your spending. First, open your Cash App, navigate to the Banking tab. Usually found at the bottom of the screen, look for an option like Add Cash Card or Add Bank. Here, you'll need to add your Afterpay card as a payment method. Select the option to add a debit or credit card. Now, carefully enter your Afterpay card details. This includes your card number, expiration date, and the CVV code found on the back of your virtual Afterpay card. You may also be prompted to enter your billing address. Ensure this matches the address associated with your Afterpay account for successful verification. Once all the information is entered, tap to confirm. Cash App will then verify your Afterpay card. Now, whenever you want to make a purchase using Cash App, you can select your linked Afterpay card as your preferred payment method. This allows you to split your Cash App transactions into manageable installments, giving you the financial flexibility you need to manage your budget effectively. By following these simple steps, you can easily add Afterpay to Cash App and start enjoying a more flexible way to pay.